So you're looking for tools for your live stream and you've come across this thing called Restream. Well, what exactly is it? Well, in this video, we're answering that simple question. What is Restream? If you're looking to increase your reach and push your live stream to more and new platforms, this is the video for you. In this video, we're talking about the tool that all live streamers should have. First, I'm going to show you how to be everywhere at once. Then I'm going to show you how to learn and do things 10 times faster. And I'll show you how to create visually stunning Instagram lives. All this and more. Stay tuned. So if you want your live stream to be everywhere at once, then I definitely recommend you sign up for your own Restream account. Check the link in the description below. It'll get you this powerful tool right at your fingertips, and you'll be boosting your visibility in no time. If you're looking for a way to be everywhere at once, well, I definitely have the tool for you. What I recommend you use is a tool called Restream. And what it does is it allows you to output your video, your live stream, and send it to multiple platforms at the same time. It's a multi-streamer. It takes one single feed and sends it absolutely everywhere. So here in my Restream dashboard, you can see that I'm sending my stream down to my Facebook page, to my Facebook group, to my YouTube page, and to Twitch. I have the ability as well to send it to Instagram and a bunch of other places like LinkedIn as well. This is a super simple platform that allows you, with one click of a button, to be in multiple places at the exact same time. If you're finding any of this interesting, then I definitely recommend you subscribe to the channel. Every week I release new videos talking about how to increase your income, your authority, and your influence online, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. I'm sure you're interested in learning how to do things a heck of a lot faster, how to automate, how to make the process a lot easier for you. So I love Restream because it has these tools built in. Let me show you. If we jump into Restream here, I can show you two different really fantastic processes that Restream does for us that saves us a ton of time. If we click over and check out our analytics, we can see that Restream has grabbed a whole bunch of information about our stream. So this is one that I did recently that didn't perform as well as I had hoped. We can see how many streams we have done in that day. We know how long our average duration of those streams have been in the last period of time. We can see how long we had streamed for in total, as well as comments, views, and max viewers as well. This gives us a fantastic look at our live streaming data. We can also look back over time. We can get really nitty-gritty when it comes to chat messages and audience insights and information. When you're building your visibility, having this information at your fingertips is so powerful. If we head into the settings area, we can also do a bunch of cool things as well. Navigate your way to the settings area and click on the top menu bar for social alerts. In this area, you can connect your Twitter account, your Discord server, as well as your Facebook platform, and you can have Restream automatically send out messages to your community, letting them know that you're online. You can change these updates every time you go live, or you can preset a message that will be sent out every time you start streaming. This is an easy way to automate that process and get your people the alerts that they need so that they can definitely join you on stream. Are you a fan of automation? Well, let me know in the comments section. What tasks do you like to automate in your business, or what tasks have you automated that have really helped increase your productivity and your visibility? Let me know in the comments section. Now, we've talked about streaming to regular streaming platforms like Twitch or YouTube or Facebook, but Is it possible to stream portrait videos to platforms like Instagram? Well, yeah, it's absolutely possible. And you can do it with a free platform like Yellow Duck. So what you would do is you would use Restream and send it through an additional server, which would be here on Yellow Duck, which would then send your content out to Instagram. So there are different ways to change the settings in OBS so that you're creating those same really visually engaging pieces of content, and you're sending them out to multiple platforms, and then using a place like Yellow Duck here to create that extra level of connection to your Instagram account. It's pretty powerful, I have to say. So use these tools and get incredible content, engagement, and community building. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Hey, if you think the Restream tool is super powerful and you want to be in multiple places at the same time, well, definitely click the link in the description box below. It'll take you to Restream. You can sign up for your own account, and that way you can get your live stream out to everyone.